Hey guys, it's Ed again. Today I'm going to be flushing the rear diff fluid on my 2008 Infiniti G37. These are some of the tools you'll need, and as always I will list them in the description. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is drive the car around for about 10-15 minutes to get the oil nice and warm. And then you're going to go ahead and remove the filler plug, which is on the passenger side on the back of the rear diff. Always make sure you can remove the filler plug before you remove the drain plug. You don't want to run into a situation where you can't get the filler off and you've already drained the oil. So this is where you pull your pan closer, because the oil will start pouring as soon as you remove this one. Alright, so completely remove the drain plug and put it aside for cleaning, because you're going to reuse this one unless you bought a new one that you want to put in. Alright, same thing goes for the filler plug. Just put it aside and you're going to clean that one up unless you have a new one that you're replacing. As you can tell, mine cleaned up nicely and the washers are still intact, so in my case I don't need to replace it, but yours might be different. Now just go ahead and do the drain plug first. Clean the surrounding areas first, of course. Both the filler plug and the drain plug will need to be torqued down to 26 foot-pounds according to the manual. Now, using your multi-purpose transfer pump, you go ahead and put the top end on the filler and you start pumping, and you will pump until the oil starts leaking out the top, and that's how you know it's full. As you can tell here, the oil's already dripping out, so that's when you know you're done. So just let the excess drain out and then go ahead and replace the filler plug. Now just go ahead and clean the surrounding areas and make sure to torque everything down. Both the filler and the drain plug need to be torqued to 26 foot-pounds, and you're pretty much done with this job. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe below. I'll make sure I keep these videos coming for you guys. Once again, thanks for watching.